Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change theme on your Godaddy website builder. First, go and log into your account. Once in, just select the website where you want to edit the theme. Now, on the right side, click on Edit Website. Once inside the editor, on the right panel, you'll see here the theme section, so go and click on it. Now, you'll have the option to change the color of it. So just go ahead and choose the one that you want according to your liking. Then, once done, you can also go and change its fonts. So just go and select the one that best fits your layout or your theme. After that, you can also go and change the buttons. Here, you can select a style for that. Also, you can use a theme color for it. Then, just click on the Done button once you are done. And you can also change the look of the secondary button. Now, you can click on this Try a New Look so that you will be able to choose another theme that you'd like for your website. So just go ahead and select the one that you want for it. Then it will be instantly applied to your website. And that's just basically it. That's how you change theme on your Godaddy website builder. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.